Now we are ready to assemble our steering knuckle into our caliper as well as on the wheel hub. Okay, so click make. Then we are going to make this surface and this surface, outer edge of the bearing. We make them concentric. All right, and then we want this space of the caliper and this space of the steering knuckle to be coincident. Okay, right. So now they are coincident. So we are going to make them concentric, the hole. So we select this hole and select this hole and let them concentric. So the other one no need, because once this is concentric, it's already locked. We cannot put in the bolt that we need to put in. Okay. So to find the bolt, we can just go to our library, right? And then we go to bolt. So let's say we want a hex bolt. Okay, hex head. All right. So let's say I want this type of bolt. Okay. Double click. We have to close first our sketch and then go bring in. Okay. So once come in, right? So the size is M5. So I think the hole I put this one is 14. So I have to select M14. Okay. So that is the bolt that I need. Okay. And then the length thread is 20. We can make it 30 longer. Let's see. Okay, let's check. Okay, we need 2. So there are 2 already. Escape. So this is our 2 bolt, right? It goes in. Ready? We have to make it. I think it's already on the hole. Yeah. So we just delete this one. Delete. Yes. Okay, and then this one we just control and then drag to make it 2. Right. So we make. Then this page should be on this page. Okay. So it is correct. Check. And then this should be inside the cylinder concentric. Okay, now concentric. Check. So similarly on the other board. So this page on this page. Okay. And then check. And then this cylinder and this hole make it concentric. Alright, so our bolt is already inside there. Okay, we can hide this line. We close first. Okay, and then hide. Alright, so we're done on the assembly of the steering knuckle as well as our brake caliper. Right, so that's it on this video.